Hey, to set custom notification or alarm sound on the Redmi A3, all you have to do is just to swipe up, then go into the settings. From this, you will have to scroll down and navigate into the sound and vibration. And scroll down all the way down, and here we can find the default notification sound and the default alarm sound, but it actually works the same for the both of them. So I'm just going to show you how it looks on the notification. So for sure, we can actually pick something from this default one. But if you want to get your custom sound, just scroll down, click to add the notification. Now you can click on the left upper corner on the three lines and you can go in your downloads into your audio files. But in my case, I'm gonna pick something from my Google Drive. So now I have to just wait until I will get all of these files. There we go. And from this, I can just select my sound. It will be visible just right here on the list. It's here, so I can select it and then click OK. And that's how it works. Right now, please subscribe.